Hey, rich friends. It's your girl Cha Cha reporting live from The Money Mantra, and we are back with another Forex education video. I created this channel to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders. So, if that's something that you're interested in, you're going to want to make sure that you subscribe. If you make it to the end of this video and you find that it's helpful, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you learned. But more importantly, share this video with at least 5 people who you think that it could help. Now, I do have a lot of videos and different playlists on my channel if you are a self-starter and you want to learn on your own. But if you find that you need more help and assistance, I do offer personal mentorship, and you can find the information for that down below in the description box. So in today's quick video, I'm going to be doing a trade breakdown of this trade that I dropped in the group chat with my rich friends this week. As we can see from the timestamp, this trade was dropped in the chat on June 26, 2023. And I recommended that they get in that for a buy at market execution or set a buy limit at 0.66850. I set a stop loss of 40 pips or higher, then a TP of 40 pips, giving it a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and a TP2 of 80 pips, which is a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. So this was the initial trade idea for a buy. However, this trade actually did hit stop loss for 40 pips. So we're going to head over to TradingView, and I'm going to be breaking down exactly what went wrong in this trade just to give you guys a better understanding. So first and foremost, I'm just going to back it up, and I'm going to take us to my actual entry candle to let you know why I thought this trade would be good for a buy. Then I'm going to walk you guys through what actually happened. So here was the candle. Let me move it forward a little bit. All right, move it back a little bit. All right, 1 second. 1 second, y'all. I just want to show you guys my exact entry candle, which was here. All right, so when I decided to get into this trade, the first thing I noticed was that there was some consolidation at the bottom, and there was some liquidity. So for me, whenever I see consolidation at the bottom and it looks like the market is having a hard time pushing down any further, I assume that the market is going to go for a buy. Now, this is usually what happens, but it's not the case every time, because sometimes the market will continue to sell and it will push down even further. So that's the first thing I was looking for. Now, one mistake that I did make is typically when I'm looking for a buy, I do prefer for my candles to be above either one or both of my EMAs, letting me know that price is trending higher. So I'm just going to go back a little bit and show you guys what I mean by that, because when the candles are above the EMAs, like we can see here, right, the market will continue to go up, versus when the candle crosses below the EMAs, the market will continue to go down. So my first mistake, even though I do consider myself a reversal trader, was the candles were not above the EMAs. So that was the first place that I went wrong. And that is what I have here in my notes as well. Although structure was broken on the upside, which we can see from the green candle, they were not above both EMAs, which means that the bullish conditions were not 100% met. So the second thing that I was looking for, which made me decide to go for a buy, was that my momentum indicator was facing up and it looked like it was preparing to cross over zero. Now, as a reversal trader, I tend to look for these reversals. I thought that the market would continue to go up because when I'm using the momentum indicator, when it's facing up and above zero, those are confirmations for a buy. So we can see those conditions actually were met. So the third thing that I look for, well, third and fourth things that I look for are for the stochastic to be facing up. And I also like to see that my blue line is above my orange line, letting me know that the buyers are in control and they have the momentum to actually push this market up. However, because I missed one key factor, or I overlooked it or decided to take this trade for a buy anyway, which was the candles not being above the EMAs, it actually did sell and it hit my stop loss. So I'm going to play this for you guys, so we can actually see what happened in the trade. So we see that it got very close to my TP. I believe that my TP, as we can see here, was 0.6725, but the highest that the market got was 0.720. So stuff like that happens all the time in the market. Don't take it personal. Just know that you will live another day to trade. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to get this. Just know that you will live another day to trade. We can see that this green area is my TP. It got extremely close. It was 5 pips, but it just didn't happen. The market actually sold past my stop loss and is continuing to sell as we speak. So I'm not really upset because it happens. We're not going to win every trade, and I'm still alive to trade another day. So I really hope that this was helpful and that you guys do choose to subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what you learned. But that's all I have for you guys today. Until next time, rich friends.